Hello?
Hello, how you going? Sure, yeah, I just wanted to let you know it was misdelivered to my place.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
No problem. Have a good day. No worries.
I'm all right, thank you.
Have a good day.
All right, you do the same. She was so worried about this. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, man. He brought my baby her stuff, man. She was so worried about this.
Get away from the door.
Hey, we've got you on video.